Are we ready?
Sure.
Is your camera waterproof?
Yeah, I hope so. Fuck, I've taken it in the lake and shit.
I don't know where your camera's for.
Oh, it's a drive-in. So that means it's like outside, right?
Oh, a drive-in theater. Oh, okay.
I was gonna say, like, wait a minute. I pictured it being an indoor theater.
Man, you go to a drive-in theater sometime.
That was fun the one time in my life I went. But yeah, I suppose you can just walk right fucking in. Whoa. That would not fucking go up there. Fuck that. The ladder's made of wood. Rotted wood. This is where they watch movies?
No, this is like that's like the big screen in a sense. This is what we're in.
Very nice. Why do they not use this anymore? That fucking wiggled, I think. It's like wiggling. Look at that shit. It's wiggling while he's on it.
Yeah.
Turn it up for Wumbo. No, for Wumbo. W for women. For women's rights. Like, why is the door over here? It's like a little boogie board, dude. Shit.
Nothing but net.
Nothing but net, baby. Oh, what the fuck?
Get on up there. Might like what you find. See, do you like it? Do you like what you found?
Find a lot of dust, you said? I believe it. Holy
All
shit.
4 of us on the ladder at the same time. Good idea. I think.
Yes, great idea, Captain.
Well, I am the captain, so what I say goes. Get on the ladder. Yes, for save our skins.
Hey, this is the meme factory. I think she asked if we can get on top.
Oh yeah, I mean just go all the way up.
I'm not fucking climbing this ladder.
I'm not going up there.
That makes me so nervous just looking up at her. That's what I was thinking. That like, it's wild to think that people used to climb that.
Yeah.
Like as part of their job. Look at how it fucking shakes.
Oh, it's like moist too, so it's getting rotten.
Ew. I just keep thinking like, man, she's gonna fall. And if she does, she's gonna land on me. Oh, this makes me uncomfortable to
It's
watch.
just very
When
like.
falls, you can grab that wooden beam on the
Bro,
ladder.
I just send it. You're so close. The worst that'll probably happen.
I don't want to think about the worst that'll happen.
Okay, no, no.
I feel like at that point you might as well just go to the top.
Yeah, he does have thick thighs.
Doesn't he? Oh my god, he's actually up there.
Spit on me.
My mouth's open.
What?
Coffee.
He's probably so confused. He's just hearing like words. He probably thinks we're cheering him on. Oh, we are.
You go to the top.
Nah, it's just like really wiggly at the top.
It's fucking wiggly all over this bitch.
It's held up by metal wires.
That's why it's wiggly.
You guys are so brave.
Very noble of you.
No, not me, them.
You said you were gonna climb it.
I won't even climb it as high as you did. Unless I feel like it. Like, I'm just like staring up and I just feel like I'd get a face hole of his ass if he fell.
I definitely would.
Just like get right
So it
underneath
wouldn't hurt
Ass
me.
cheeks to the face. He'd probably break my neck.
His ass,
To be
his big
honest.
fat ass would cushion the blow.
Oh,
You
that's
guys
cool.
fucking climbed this all the way to the top? Dude, this feels
You just have to kind of like lean forward on
I
it.
guess this feels so fucking unstable.
If you went like one more like or metal frame, like kind of where I went, you can literally see like a view.
I would just fly my drone, honestly. I think it's funny how this is in someone's backyard too.
Oh, there is one.
Oh, oh fuck yeah.
This sounds like an abandoned house.
Oh, it's just this room. How cute. Little
Oh,
curtains.
No way. I don't know what it is.
It's like the old cash register.
Oh,
Oh shit.
Mr. Squidward.
Mr. Squidward, yes.
Still playing the cash register, Squiddy.
Look at all these random boats.
Yeah, I love that. How like people make use of the space pretty well. Like let's put boats here. Love that.
Miles and
Wow.
miles
Yeah,
of
so
boat.
you see that middle top space up there?
Yes,
That's
sir.
where I was at.
Like it's even like leaning forward, it looks like. What if it just fell forward?
Chilling with my boats.
I know, I do like how people just keep boats out here.
Someone comes out here and he's like, what are you doing? I was like, oh, we're just checking out
Admiring your boats. Oh, well, that's okay. They are nice boats.
my boat. He's like, oh, we're just checking on my boat. And he's like, what boat's yours? And I say, this one. He's like, that's my boat.
Not anymore. And I drive
So
it
we
away.
drive it away.
Somehow I managed to drive. He'd probably let me take it if I drove it on land and actually
He's
like drove it
he's
away.
Like, I'll let him have it now.
It's like, well, this is clearly, I'm clearly the side character of this movie. I'm gonna let him do his thing.
I love how the women's bathroom sign just goes upside down. That was all we did.
No way, do I get to finally go in a women's room?
Oh, it's so tiny though.
Where's all the urinals, dude?
Look how there's handprints.
Like this is where a crackhead would be in that.
There's no urinals in the women's room.
Yeah, what gives?
There's one in my bathroom.
What the?
Oh no, the film. It's ruined.
No, retro glasses. These are actually
Are those
so
Lava Girl
old.
glasses?
No,
Holy
these
shit.
are so old.
Wait a minute.
Why is there a full pack just sitting there?
Wait, are they from a movie?
They are
No.
Lava Girl, I think. Shark Boy and Lava Girl.
Are they really?
And they look like it? Or Spy Kids, maybe?
I don't really know. I know that looks familiar.
That looks like
I
it's
don't know
from
what that
Spy
is.
Kids or one of those movies made by that dude that makes the shitty CGI.
That's so funny though.
Like, it's just weird that nobody, like, took these.
That's what
They're
I
probably
mean,
so
like, that's so
valuable.
cool.
Piece of paper. Whoa. Oh, yeah, they had to shine it out that way because that's where the screen is. Hey, more glasses.
This is where they have all their.
That's how they sharpen their pencils for this big ugly thing.
I'm pretty sure that it was the Spy Kid.
Okay, that was my other guess.
Pretty sure.
I figured.
They went to an amusement park where that was like the main.
Yes.
Oh, they have more.
There's enough for all of us. I'd be so pissed if that blinded me.
Oh, no, there's nothing in there.
Fuck me.
No
Oh,
light.
okay. I was like, because I was staring at it as you plugged it in. Did we try those light bulbs? Oh, that chain. Oh, what a surprise.
Oh my god! Look at that fucking strike.
Oh god. Oh god. I thought like you saw
Look at his
something.
dick.
Oh my goodness. I love that.
Awesome.
Gotta get a look at this. Oh my goodness.
That's
He's
what
flipping the
it's
bird.
Bless you.
Thanks. I never know what any of it is. Like, is this
That's
black
black
mold?
mold, yeah.
Is that?
If it's like yellow, it's usually just water.
Don't put it in your mouth. You're
Like the
saying.
yellowish parts, it's just water.
Oh, that's cool. It just opens like
They
it's.
really.
I hope we get to see the men's room too. I'm dying to see that.
Where they fry all their shit.
You bet. It does. That is actually. Oops, sorry, ma'am. What a fox.
I've never used one of these.
Ooh. Let me get a look in here.
I don't know how to use them.
You remember when we went to the, what is that place over back?
Fun Park. That was, and Xavier had. That was
We
it.
gassed each.
It
We
fucking.
gassed
I was
ourselves in
like,
a room.
I was like, are we? Can we breathe this in? Is this okay to breathe?
No, you'll kill yourself if you do that in a room with no air.
Because I like held my breath while I was in there, and I
That's
didn't.
smart.
I didn't know if that was necessary.
No, I didn't.
You didn't? Okay. We went there in senior year, and it closed before that probably.
I'm fucking shook by that still.
The Fun Park closing.
Yeah, but I mean, the last time I was there was years ago.
I had so many birthdays there. Oh, wires. Holy fuck. I always am worried that like I'll get shocked even though I know that there's no electricity.
That's why I didn't turn the breaker on, because I was like, it's raining. I'm kind of scared.
Beautiful painting.
I like this one. This one's cool.
Yeah, the vacuum. Break this place up.
I was gonna say turn it on, but I don't. You'd have to plug it in. Fuck.
You guys want a crack spoon? This is like legitimate crack spoon. If you ever want to know what it's like.
That just looks like a regular spoon.
Well, they're the small ones. That's what they burn crack on.
But like, I think you scoop sugar in your tea with those. Different kind of sugar.
Nah.
That looks like something the Queen would
Bro,
keep on her
this is
table.
Drug Central. That's a fucking crack spoon.
I wonder what they did with it in here. I'm trying to solve the mystery here. I want to see the men's room. I want to feel included. Come on, kids. I thought it like just didn't open.
It's locked. Yeah, it's actually locked.
What the fuck? So
That's
is that
sexist.
it? Once a place where cars parked, now only boats park to watch the movies. Oh, that's cool. I like caught the vape cloud in the picture.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine.
It just makes it more edgy.
It does. Like it's kind of.
Let's bring our own, like, whatever the hell.
Projector?
Yeah, projector. That's the word I'm looking for. And
They-
then
they-
we'll watch our own movie.
They had to
here.
project it through the trees. I'm sure.
What if we like we patched up those spots, we cut those trees down, we fix it all up in there, start our own movie. Business.
What do we do about the boats, though?
Fuck the boats.
We're gonna drive them away.
On the
Yeah,
boat.
Yeah, I was gonna say we're gonna
That's
open the
the-
boats
that's
up,
the
and those are
appeal.
the seats for everybody.
It's like
This isn't a drive-in, it's a boat-in. I'm not gonna lie.
yes.
It's a boat in.
It's like you go to a barber shop and you sit in the rocket ship chair. It's like that kind of concept.
Yeah.
But boats and it's a movie place.
There's only one screen though, so I kind of understand why they're like.
This place is
three.
whack. Why am I all
You gotta go
wet?
home.
I look like I pissed myself a
Well, yeah,
little
it's
bit.
like we're walking on
I know,
grass.
but it's just kind of crazy that grass did this to me. I look like a mess.
Never trust grass.
Me and Ishvan look dirty, I think. The rest of you look normal.
The rest of us, the two of us, a Look,
walking
she
through
got a
that
bunch of
stuff.
rips in her pants from
Yeah,
walking.
yeah.
Yeah, from walking. Just from walking. You walk too fast and it just your pants can't stretch in time.
I ripped
My pants.
I thought that
Then I had everybody on my side. Like, it's not even dark yet. I love summer. Like,
Yeah.
we've been out all day and it's like not even dark yet.
There's
Oh,
arrows that say go that way.
oh, COVID regulations. We better. You had to stay in your car because of COVID.
I didn't see nothing.
I'm just following the arrows.
There literally were just signs that said don't do drugs here. That's it. And no one obeyed those signs, but we
I
did.
found a
We
raccoon.
obeyed that sign. That's what's important. You had to be on drugs to make that Shrek drawing.
Yeah, definitely. You know that fucking spoon was used before that was made.
Driveway.
I don't know. Doesn't look like anyone's home.